Nanomedicine is not new. The idea has been around for decades, but the translation from the lab to patients in the hospitals and to the clinics has been very slow. And so very early on, we identified that one of the big hurdles to translating nanomedicine from the lab to the clinic is the fact that if we change our particles even slightly, it has a dramatic effect on how it behaves in the body, where it ends up in the body, its toxicity, its ability to treat a particular disease. All of that changes significantly. My name is Allan David. I am the John W. Brown Associate Professor of Chemical Engineering at Auburn University, and I am also one of the co-founders of Nanoxort. The name for Nanoxort was derived from our work in taking a mixture of particles that was very heterogeneous. So you have particles of many different sizes or different surface properties, and essentially sorting them out into uniform samples. So we took the word nano because we work with particles on the nanoscale, and then we did a lot of sorting of those particles, and so that's how we came up with the name Nanoxort. I've always been involved with startup companies, and I always had an interest in applied research, so love to see the work we do in the lab actually get out into the real world and make a difference. I had two graduate students, Tariq Anani and Barry Ye, who were PhD students at that time. They've graduated and they're now doctors themselves. The three of us decided, you know what, let's go and do this, and we had an opportunity to participate in the National Science Foundation's I-Corps program, in which we did a lot of customer discovery and identified a potential market for a product, and that's got us started.
I'm Abhinav Sannidhi, and being the Research and Development Manager at Nanoxort, I'm serving as the Principal Investigator for the STTR Phase 1 project funded by National Science Foundation. I'm synthesizing the iron oxide nanoparticles and working on the properties which would enhance the MRI contrast properties and other biocompatibility properties which would serve as the better contrast agents in the future. Being an Auburn graduate with a PhD for which I worked in the same lab, I was interested in entrepreneurship right from the start of my PhD, and I got an opportunity to work with Nanoxort with the exciting project which aligns well with my research.
That's kind of where Nanoxort and the work we do here in the lab aligns, in that we're really looking at controlling how nanoparticles interact with the body and with biological systems.